Have you ever wanted to quickly know at a glance how lightning is impacting your operations? Using our new Lightning Alert Rings feature, you can easily see the lightning detection threats around each of your business locations in both Sferic Maps and Sferic Mobile. To use this new feature, you must have custom lightning alert rules and notifications configured in Sferic Maps Alerting. When enabled, the lightning alert rings are visible around each of the custom lightning alert locations set up in your account. Once you have lightning alerts configured, you can easily select this new feature in Sferic Maps. In the Map Layer tab below Alerts, select Show Lightning Range Rings. Once selected, the alert rings will appear based on the lightning rules associated with the location. Now you can quickly and easily observe lightning detection threats by the ring color and style at any location. All clear with no lightning threat detected will show a green border with no fill color as shown here. When a location is under alert, you will see a red border with a partially transparent red inner area. In this example, there are two rings. The outer area is under alert, as shown by the red border and fill, but the center area with the green border is all clear. Now, as you can see, both borders are red. This indicates that both the outer and inner areas are now under a lightning alert. Now you know how to use the new Lightning Alert Rings feature. Thanks for watching.